forgot what it was out of
All right. Hey all, I'm Sage.
And I'm Brian.
Here at No Kill Car Shelter today. We pulled Scrappy, our 1929 Ford Model A pickup truck out of the shop and wanted to give you guys a closer look and a bit of history on it. So I'll turn that over to Brian.
So fasten your seatbelts because we're going nowhere fast in a bone stock Model A.
Yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, get your shop truck out of my sunny spot as the sun very quickly diminishes as it gets blocked by the buildings. It didn't
I think it did.
mean to. Oh, well, it was the microphone thing that hit your back.
I think it shocked me a little bit.
This thing
Yeah.
hit you. Yeah, I believe it. Because you're rolling. You're rolling. Nice. The nose that way, I guess. Oh. Forward, please. The nose this way. The nose coming out this way, facing this way. Yeah. Although I think we may have already lost the light, unfortunately, but we'll do the best we can. Perfect. We got this. You can call it a short game of car Tetris, but it's kind of more like car musical chairs, I guess. Or truck musical chairs. They're both trucks. Musical trucks. That's better, thank you. Chance. Let's get into it.
Good. Check one. So yeah. This 29 started out just something I found on Marketplace back when I had time. I think it was before COVID, Before COVID. And it was like just a stock Model A, nothing special, with stock running gear and everything. Just somebody's like haphazard project that was slapped together. So I went and looked and checked it out, and it was exactly what I thought it would be. Everything you see, but it wasn't chopped. It had like 2 fenders on it. It didn't have a hood. It didn't have the side panels. Those came from Fletcher's Model A that's inside on the big all-terrain tires. But other than that, that's it. It had a 4-cylinder flathead in it. I wound up beating that one really tired I found another one that came with this whole chassis, so I put a whole chassis underneath, even though I said it's how I found it, but whatever, I forgot I did that part. Whatever, I don't care. So, either way, I got ahead of myself also. But, where was I? Oh, yeah. So, now that I'm saying it is a different chassis now, because I just remembered that, what's left of that truck is the grill shell, cowl, doors, cabin, everything, and the bed. Wheels and tires carried over also. It's all just a 29 Ford Model A. I had as I said, back when we had some free time, I got all the guys together and we spent Saturday into Saturday evening chopping it's either 4 or 5 inches, I don't even remember, out of the top of it, very crudely, because all this thing is made to be is a dumpster. This is so I can load all my stuff into the back and not have to handle it twice, putting it into something else and then into a truck and take it to the scrapyard. Bed gets full, take it to the scrapyard.
One of my favorite details to point out is the little tic-tac-toe board.
But it's still lever action brakes on the thing. It's all mechanical. It's manual steering, manual mechanical brakes. It's still a torque tube. Most basic wiring on the thing. One brake light, one tail light. But I mean, it does everything I ask of it when it's running. It does have an upgraded. If you come around to this side, does have an upgraded leakless water pump on it, and a GM 1-wire 12-volt alternator on it, because I'm not dealing with that 6-volt crap. But does everything I ask of it. Sometimes it gives me shit. What can you expect? It's almost 100 years old. I bet the motor has never been rebuilt. It doesn't look like it. It probably could be, because I don't know what color they were from the factory. Once again, it's a 100-year-old motor. Could have been rebuilt so many times, and I have no idea, because it's almost 100 years. But yeah. Other than that, pretty much stock Model A. It's struggling to do 40, 45 maybe. Other than that, it just goes from here to the scrapyard and back. And sometimes it breaks down, sometimes it runs hot. I don't know, what do you expect? I didn't rebuild nothing. It's not made to be anything super duper special. It's fun. It gets a hoot every time I pull into the scrapyard and the guys see this thing coming in and they ask if it's getting scrapped with everything else. But other than that,
To which the answer is always no.
correct. Absolutely. But other than that, it's as you see it. She's got her blemishes and some spots I should probably fix on the lower cowl, but structurally she's sound enough for what I'm asking of it. I basically call it my city tractor. Sometimes it's used for pulling stuff when there's traction, and sometimes it sits for 6 months. But every time, as long as it's getting fuel, the carburetor and spark, she fires up and runs. So, other than that, let us know in the comments whatever I missed, or if there's anything you want to know that I missed.
Always happy to pull it back out and do more spotlights on Scrappy, because we love this freaking
Absolutely.
truck.
Oh, also detail. Why everybody's this plastic in the windows. The only reason I did it orange is because Hot Rod Scott had some of this, asked me if I wanted it, and it was just after we did the chop on it, so serendipity made the windows orange. But yeah, like, comment, share, questions, whatever in the comments.
Oh yeah, thank you for reminding me. We should do an outro. Correct. You're awesome. Hold on, give me a second. We'll see you in a second.
Oh, I gotta face Marie just in case she shows up.
Whew. That's all for now. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll see you all next
See you
week.
next time at No Kill Car Shelter.
Woo!
Boom, 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 boom.
Wow!
Didn't need to do that part. I'm saying the part that I started.
I wanted to.
Okay.